What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to start off by saying Merry Christmas to everybody out there who celebrates, and Happy Holidays to those of you who don't. I hope you enjoy lots of good food, possibly some booze, and time with family and friends, because that's what it's all about during this time of year. I'd like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert. I am just some random dude on YouTube, so take what I say with a grain of salt. I am speaking a little bit quieter than I usually do. I'm currently at my girlfriend's in Wisconsin for Christmas, and I'm trying to be respectful of everybody sleeping, so please bear with the quieter tone than usual. Lastly, if you think you'd enjoy this video, please drop a like or a dislike. Either way, you're helping out the YouTube algorithm. And if you'd like to join the family over here at Trey's Trades, please consider subscribing to the channel, as I do post content like this on a daily basis. With that being said, today we're going to be looking at ticker symbol FCEL, FuelCell Energy Incorporated. Now, this stock very heavily ties into the EV sector, and FuelCell has seen an incredible run up over the last 10 days. They are, let me pull this up here just so I can double check. They are up from 767 as a low up to just over 1375 as a high, 1391. We did see a little bit of price rejection, and then yesterday was a little bit of a red day, but that is to be expected when you've run up almost 100% in a 10-day time period. Now, I am very bullish on FuelCell, but before I get into my opinion, let's take a look at the analysis here. So you can see that we have spent a very large amount of time, especially in these last 3 days up until yesterday, in the bullish territory. We have been above the volume moving average. We have been progressing very well, setting higher highs, higher lows, and honestly, there hasn't been a ton of price correction on this stock yet. So it's not surprising that we saw a red day yesterday. It is very possible that we continue to see a red day into Monday as well, but I want to prepare you guys for every scenario that is possible here. So keep in mind, we are on a 10-day bullish run. We are continuing an upward trend line. It's important to make sure you zoom out a little bit and look at the long-term trends and not just the daily trends. So we are in bullish territory. The stock is on a growth trend at the moment, so that is a very important thing to note. So we do have a support level set here at about $12.14. We did bounce off of this with a couple of different candlesticks, which is very promising. It's good to see that we have some price rejection. This is a 15-minute chart, so that is a lot of time. That is about an hour that there is opportunity to drop below that price. So I would be very surprised if we drop below 12.14. However, if we do drop below this support line, you're probably going to be looking at a secondary support here at the previous level of resistance, which is about $11.50. Now, if there's going to be a green day, what you're going to be looking for, and you might want to write both of these numbers down, is this $13.70 resistance level. We did see some pretty heavy price rejection on both of these valuations, and in turn we saw a drop off in price valuation. So if we do come up to this $13.71 price target and we breach above that, you are probably going to be looking at a $14 plus day for FuelCell, which is a beautiful thing. And after that, you're probably going to be looking at a $15 price target in the short term, the daily term for FuelCell. Now, why $15? Well, traders first trade with emotion and second with logic. And $15 is a very round number. It's an easy number to target. It's an easy number to keep in the back of your mind. So I am a very strong believer that people try to make trading as simple as possible, and it's really not as complicated as you think. Just think, what would I want to do? What would I want to exit at? What price am I going to be looking for? And odds are that you're going to find a lot of people in your same boat here. So that is a pretty solid resistance level that you're going to be looking for is 1371, support at 1214, and secondary support at 1150. Now, I am very bullish on FuelCell. There are a couple of YouTubers out there who have given this a price target of $20. However, I think that is a low ball. I think this stock is going to go much higher. And what comes to mind for me is Plug. Plug was given a $20 to $25 price target by multiple, or not Plug, as I was, Switchback Energy, SBE. SBE was given a price target of $20 to $25 by a lot of different YouTubers. Granted, that was a SPAC stock, so that does trade volatility and price action a little bit more than just a standard company like FuelCell. However, FuelCell is in very similar waters as SBE, and they offer a lot of the same things. So I do think, you know, $20 as a first price target to reach is very realistic, but I do see us shooting up significantly beyond that within the next month to 2 months. So if you're looking to swing trade this stock, you could try and time out the entry and exit points, you know, really squeeze your margins. Like you could have got out of that 1371 and rebought back in maybe at the support level of 1214 to 1250 where we're currently sitting. But I think you're going to be better off in the long term just riding the stock, and I have a price target on this of $30. I am bought in at about $10.15, so I do have bias in this stock. Keep that in the back of your mind. However, this is a very bullish stock. This is in bullish territory. The bulls have been in complete control. We are moving above this VMA, the volume moving average, which is a strong sign in the long term in the 10-day chart that the stock is moving in the upwards direction. I could see the stock going red on, not red as I was, green on Monday, but it very well could drop below this 1214. We could see another red day. We have run up a lot over the last 10 days, so you do need to keep in mind that price corrections are a part of the market. It is a pattern that you are going to see in every stock, regardless. There is absolutely no exceptions to that. It's just a matter of time, not if, it's when. So that is all that I have for FuelCell today. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you didn't, dislike. Either way, you're helping out the YouTube algorithm. And as I said earlier, if you'd like to join the family and subscribe to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'd love to get to 100 subscribers by Sunday. That is my goal. So let me know what you think of FuelCell down in the comments down below. Let me know if you'd like me to cover any other stocks. Otherwise, that is all that I have for you today. Merry Christmas. Thank you for coming to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.